Hey guys, Popomoto here. This is going to be a small little tutorial and install / review of the Dynatek ignition system for the 2009, pretty much all the carb WR450s. So this ignition system is a plug and play. You have to buy a separate adapter here that's USB. The program itself seems pretty straightforward. The 4 curves that are preloaded, one being a mild performance curve, 2 is going to be the high performance curve, 3 is going to be the traction control curve, and then 4 is going to be your stock curve with the gray wire mod done. It has a couple other tuning settings where you can adjust the TPS sensor and also adjust the max revs. So stay tuned for part 2 when I'm going to install these on the WR450 and I'll give you kind of a butt dyno impression. Stay tuned.